everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. It's your girl Fabiola. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make oxtail, guys, my way, guys. That's the way I make it, guys, and I would like to share it with you guys. Please, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, guys, for more video, guys. Thank you, guys. Alright, guys, that's everything we're gonna need to make the oxtail. I have like about 4 pounds of oxtail, and I have my Asian green spice, guys, and I have another video. You can, guys, go check it out to see how to make it. I have lemon, I have garlic mince, and I have my Creole seasoning. I have some onion powder. I have some soy sauce, guys. I don't have the brownie sauce. I'm gonna use soy sauce instead. And I have some black pepper, of course, and I have some garlic powder, guys, and I have some lemon pepper. That's everything we're gonna need. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna clean my oxtail, guys. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna take all those fat out of the lobster, guys. You just need to take a knife and to take them off. Well, let me show you guys how to take only one, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, and I'm gonna start washing my meat. Alright, for people that don't know how to take your fat out of your meat, now what you're gonna do, you're just gonna get your knife. You see, you're just gonna take all this fat, because this fat is not good for you guys, and it's gonna make the food have too much oil. Let me show you guys. I'm just gonna clean only one for you guys, and I'm gonna clean the rest, and I'm gonna go wash it, guys, with some lemon and some vinegar, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. You're gonna wash it good, and when it's time for me, guys, to season it, guys, I will show you guys how I season my oxtail. You see, guys, you just take all the fat. Let me show you guys good. See, let me show you the first one. You see, guys, take all the fat, and I'm gonna do it for all of them like that. Alright, guys, when I'm done, after I wash it, I already told you guys how to wash it, and I will show you guys. Alright, guys, I'm done washing my oxtail. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna season it. Now what I'm gonna do, I have my green spice. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add it to my meat, guys, and I have 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper. I have some onion powder, some garlic powder. I have my the Creole season and some black pepper, guys. I'm just gonna add all of them on my meat. And remember, guys, I told you guys I was gonna need lemon. Now what I'm gonna do, I already cut the lemon. I'm just gonna put the lemon juice on my meat. I'm just adding my lemon juice to my meat, and let me show you guys. And I have the garlic mince, guys. I'm gonna add like 1 teaspoon, and I'm sorry, guys, Hey, guys, I'm gonna add my Maggi, guys. Just gonna, and you guys can put any type of seasoning you guys want, guys, as it's on you guys what type of seasoning you guys want to put on it. And now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna add it. Don't be scared to dirty your hand. That's why I put that glove, because you have to make sure all the seasoning go inside your meat. You have to keep smash it and make sure all the seasoning go through your meat. And if you guys want to add some hot sauce, you guys can do it, but again, I'm doing it for my kids. I have 3 little kids. They don't eat spicy food, but after I take their food, I'm gonna add some spicy sauce to it, guys. You just need to make sure the seasoning go on the side, inside the meat. My hand kind of dirty. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I have my soy sauce, guys. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna add, because I don't have the brownie sauce, guys, to add for the color and for the flavor, guys. I'm just gonna add some soy sauce. It's like, let's say, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, guys. Now what I'm gonna keep doing, guys, I'm gonna make sure all the season, everything go inside my meat. Let me taste it. Yep. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna cover my meat. I'm gonna put it on the fridge, and I'm gonna let it marinate like for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm gonna start cooking it. I'm just gonna add the oxtail, guys. I'm sorry, I love singing. I'm always singing while I'm cooking. Alright guys, I'm gonna add my oxtail to my pot. See? Let's put this in. Okay. And what I'm gonna get my big spoon. I'm just gonna make sure I mix it up. Okay. That's the juice from my meat. I'm just gonna put all of the oxtail, guys. And I'm not gonna add no water now, guys. I'm gonna just cover it, guys. And I'm gonna let all the season go up inside my meat. I'm gonna leave it like for 10 minutes. I'm not gonna tell you how long to leave it until you see all the like the seasoning water finish on your meat, and you're gonna put the water. I'm just gonna cover it, guys, for now. Alright guys, now what I'm gonna do, guys, now I'm gonna add my water, guys. And let me show you guys how much water I'm gonna add. I'm gonna make sure it go all cover all my meat, guys, because you have to make sure oxtail take a long time, guys, to cook. And I'm gonna leave it like that, guys. And I'm not gonna put it on high. I'm gonna put it only on 8, and I'm gonna let my meat boil, guys. And I'm gonna keep checking on it, guys. And while the meat is boiling, you need to keep checking on it until it's done, guys. And I'm sorry for one of my son in the back that's making so much noise. I'm sorry, guys. All right, I'm gonna let it boil, guys. After like 1 hour, or when the water is almost done, I'm gonna check on the meat to see. All right, guys. The oxtail has been boiling, guys, for 1 hour and 20 minutes, guys. And what it look like you already good, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I have 4 carrots, guys. I'm just gonna add the carrots to the meat. Okay. I didn't put the beans. I just add carrots to it today. And I'm just gonna cover it, guys, because I want the carrots to be cooked. I'm gonna cover it for 5 minutes, guys. After 5 minutes, I will show you guys what it look like. Alright, guys, I just put 1 cup of water, guys, because I'm trying to get some more gravy, guys. I just put like 1 cup of water, and I'm gonna let it boil for a little bit, guys, and I'm gonna show you guys after a little bit what it look like. Alright, guys, now what I'm gonna do, guys, I have some onion. I'm gonna add some onion to my oxtail. And guys, I'm gonna give you guys a secret. When I make my oxtail, personally, my way, I always put some honey, guys. I have some honey, guys. I'm gonna put a little bit of onion on the oxtail, guys. It tastes really good, guys. That's the way I make it, and when I make it that way, I really love it, and people I give it really always love it too, guys. And I would like to share it with you guys. I'm just gonna add some onion. Let me show you guys. You don't have to add that much. It just give it, guys, a perfect flavor, guys. Now I'm just gonna mix it. It's pretty much done, guys. I'm just gonna do the final step for you guys. Please, after you guys add some honey, guys, if you guys love the results, come back and subscribe to my channel, guys, and say something, because I know you guys gonna really love it if you guys put some honey. Let me taste it. I'm telling you, guys, I'm gonna leave it like for like 2 minutes so the onion can cook, and I'll show you guys, and it's really done. Alright, guys, I'm done. Look at that oxtail, guys. The texture, guys, it looks so good, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put it on the plate, guys, and I will show you guys how it look like on the plate. Guys, I'm done. After I put the oxtail on the plate, guys, this is the way my oxtail look like, guys. It look really good, guys. I can't wait to eat it, guys. And I'm gonna eat it with some rice and peas, guys. And if you guys want to know how to make it, guys, please comment and I will show you guys how to make it on my next video. Thank you so much, guys. See you guys on my next video. God bless you all.